All right, this is Midnight Shadows, a very evocative piece. I think it's a very popular selection. Let me first just play it for you. So it sounds like someone sneaking around in the middle of the night, a little bit of a Halloween-y kind of song. Important things here, we have staccatos and accents and legatos. The slurs making it legato. That's what really gives it the sneaky, tiptoey kind of feel. So let's look at the sections. And I think in some of these we want to have a little bit of a dovetail ending. I think you need the first 4 measures plus the G in measure 5. All right, that will be section 1. Section 2 will actually start on that same G in measure 5 and go to measure 6, 7, 8. All right, and then it ends there on the rest. Section 3 will start where the mezzo forte is in measure 9. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to dovetail and end with the downbeat of measure 13. So we'll go ahead and play that G as the end of practice section 3, and then start on that G as the beginning of practice section 4, which goes to measure 17. All right, and that's a little bit of a weird thing that happens there. There's kind of an extra measure. We've had 4 measure sections, and then we have a 5th measure to that section. We're going to end the downbeat of 17, and then the last practice section will actually start at the beginning of 17 and go to the end. The reason we dovetail that is because the left hand is coming in for a landing on that G, and it just makes sense to go ahead and let the hand go all the way there. I'm playing measure 4 to measure 5, rather than go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It kind of ends there. And then we'll start there so that it's easy to connect all that. Let's count the rhythm. Left hand, section 1. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and stop. Let's look at the notes. We have a G, a low G with finger 5, B flat with 3, D with finger 1. Now, if you know your chords, and I know you do, those first 3 notes make the G minor triad. We repeat the D, C sharp with finger 2, back to D, D, C sharp with finger 2, back to D. Now we move 2 off of the C sharp to C natural, B flat 3, A4, and G, and we're done with that section. Let's count it slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Awesome. Notice that I'm using the way I'm counting to help me play it correctly. When I have those slurs, I kind of sing-song the 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 to highlight that it needs to be connected. And then my other numbers were short and crisp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good. All right. So there's no hands together to do that. There's no right hand to worry about. So it's time for you to practice that. You've learned it, and now you get to practice it. So section 2, starting with the left hand, do the rhythm. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It's pretty similar. It's not exactly the same, but it's similar. Let's get the notes. 5 on G, 3 on B flat, 1 on D. Again, that G minor. C sharp, D, and we walk it back down right away. C, B flat, A, G. Let's count that left hand now. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fabulous. Look at the right hand. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So a lot of waiting, and then you come in on 2, 3. The notes that we play there are a G with finger 1, a B flat with finger 3. Again, it's almost that G minor triad, just leaving off that top note. Let's try the left hand, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Hands together. What goes together goes together. Nothing goes together. So let's just count it slow. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Maybe a little faster. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Let's look at section 3. That starts in measure 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do the left hand first because the left hand has the melody, and the melody is the most important thing. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice anything? Did you see it? Yeah, same as section 1. Let's see the notes. G, B flat, D. There's our G minor chord again. C, D, C sharp, D, D, C sharp, D. Well, how about that? It's exactly like section number 1. Let's play it. Count it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Brilliant. Left hand. We have this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play it. Right hand by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't really go over notes and fingers because it's the same thing we just did, G and B flat. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that's it for the right hand. Hands together. What goes together goes together. Nothing goes together. Let's just count it slow then. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Little bit faster. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Section 4, starting in measure 13. Do the rhythm of the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see it? Did you notice? Did you see it? Did you notice? Did you notice? Did you see it? That's right. It's the same as section 1 and section 3. You just get to do it again. Let's see if we can play it and count it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Look at the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Brilliant. play the right hand. These notes we've been playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then we have 5 on D, 4 on C sharp, back to the D with 5. 4 needs to move over to the C natural, 3 on B flat, A, G. And if you'll look, it's the same notes that the left hand is playing. And we actually have some hands together there, so let's go ahead. Hands together. What goes together goes together. We have the left and then the right, and then the left and then the right, and then the left and then the right, and then the left and the left and the left, and then, oh my goodness, together, 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 together. If that was hard for you, go back, do that part of the video several times until it feels easier. Let's go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. A little bit faster. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right, repeat that section correctly. Practice it to lock in that learning. And the last section, I kind of lied. It's not a 5-measure section. It really is just a 4 plus the downbeat again. And then our last practice section begins on measure 17. And the left hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I sped up because it's kind of easy. We have a G and a D and a G and a D and a G with fingers 5 and 1. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Right hand is the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Same notes. G, D, G, D, G. Different fingers, right? So finger 1, finger 5, finger 1, 5, 1. Let's put it together. Together, 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 together. That's all together. Let's count it slow. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. A little bit faster. And ready. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. You now have all you need to know to do Midnight Shadows. Remember, practice means repeating sections correctly. In order to practice, you must first learn. So take those practice sections, learn the rhythm, learn the notes, put it together. What goes together goes together. What hands together slow, hands together, and repeat it until you lock that learning in. I have a feeling a lot of you are going to pick this. It's a popular song. All right, enjoy your practice on it. I can't wait to hear you play it. Bye-bye now.